Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, kindly like, share, subscribe, and most importantly turn on the notification bell so that I can be the first to be notified. So let's dive into today's topic. Alright, branding is one of the first attributes you must first consider as a business owner. If you really want people to take you seriously, you need to first consider branding. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through on how to brand your business in such a way that people will admire your business. Alright, so let's dive in while I walk you through. Alright, so let's dive in. Alright, welcome to my video once again. Welcome, thank you for signing up to my channel. So the name of the website is called designs.ai. Actually, it's two websites I'm reviewing with you guys. So one is called designs.ai, while the second one is called Canva. So I'll be reviewing these two websites with you guys. So here is the dashboard of the design.ai. Okay. You can see here other features, quality, delivery, toning. Okay, you can see, as you can see here. Here are the pages. Okay, let us quickly go through these tools. All right, these are the tools that you need. We have color matcher, we have graphic maker, front bearer, and calendar. So under resource, we have tutorial, blog, affiliate for agencies. All right. Okay, so now to get started with this particular software, all you need to do is to sign up. Okay, so just try for free here. Okay, so all right, okay, so let's just start the free trial. Almost there before you are done. All right, just confirming my woman. So we are almost done. We are almost done. All right, hooray! All is well. Your payment has been successfully made. So here is the interface now. Save 20% extra for annual plan. They have package for 48 hours. So here is the interface. All right. So yes, here are all the features, all you can do with the platform. We have audio, chat, images, videos, logos, designs. So let's go to logos and designs. Sorry. All right. So here are the templates. As you can see here, we have AI design template, we have AI audio template, AI chat template. So there's no need for you to start cracking your brain what to design or where to get idea from. So the whole idea has been done, all right, on the platform. So we have multiple thousands of templates here that you can make use of and then try to change some things if you wish. All right. So for this AI design now, let's just check this out. Let's check this out. So as you can see here, you can generate new templates if you wish. Okay, so I will just walk you through the template here for now. So I believe you are also creating yours as well. I believe you are also creating yours as well. So as you can see here are the templates for the designs. We have art, card, invite, and so on. If you want social media for posting, you can just click here and it will take you to another tab. Okay, so that is that on this platform. So you can just play around with it and check it out yourself as well. Okay, So let's go to Canva. So on Canva here, you also do the same thing. All right, sign up and then get started with it. All right. So let's quickly sign up with the Canva. Okay. To sign up on Canva, you can sign up with a Google, Facebook, and normal email. Okay. So once you are done with that, uh, once you are done, let's just try. Let's just register. Let's sign up with Canva. All right. So let's insert our email. All right. So here is the username. Let's just process it like that. Let's go to our email to copy the code. You can see design AI created, completed. That is nice. For Canva, let's copy the code down to the page. All right, very easy and simple to get. So as you can see, Canva is very straightforward compared to the designs.ai. All right, very straightforward. What will you be using Canva for? Okay, for personal use. All right, I'd like to focus on marketing, or let's just say um, social media, social post, design, all of almost all of them. We are working on all of them. So as many as possible. Okay, as many as possible. Many things you can do with Canva. Okay, many things. Almost everything on the Canva features you can work on at any time, at anywhere. So you are starting with the free trial here. Next, let us skip it. All right. So as you can see, here's the interface. Here are the templates. All right. They are congratulating me that welcome to their platform. So here's the template we have here. So here are the templates we have here. Still coming up. Still loading. So all right. Let me just quickly walk you through the template. Okay. Still loading. So here this template we have. All right. We have for you. We have different category. We have for business. Let's just go through for business. You have different kind of templates that you can use. As many templates, any industry you can find as many templates. Like on the free trial version alone, we have thousands of templates compared to you subscribing alone. So if you are subscribing, you should have like millions of templates. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do using the free version on Canva. So you don't really need to bother yourself until you subscribe before you start using Canva. So you can get started with Canva as early as possible. So all you just need to do is to get started. All right. So here are the templates here. So many templates here. You can just play around with it. So we have invoice presentation, as many templates as possible. Okay. So you can play around with these two platforms. Okay, and make best use of it. All right. So that will be all on this particular video. So I hope you learned one or two things in this video. So if you find this video very interesting, kindly like, share, and comment. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Alright? Subscribe and subscribe. Alright? So that will be all for today. Till next time. Peace out.